Quick video how to get rid of this square when you're trying to live stream with the Canon T3i, which I have here. So you have HDMI going out and you're trying to live stream it, but you got this square, and no matter what I tried, I couldn't get it off. So I'm going to show you one way that I figure out how to do this. So I have the camera set on manual mode, and the square is right there. So then here's the lens. So if we change the lens to autofocus, okay, now it's an autofocus, the square is gone. Okay, but let's say the square is still remaining there. So see, now that I press set, say the square is still in, I press set again. Okay, so sometimes it may not work correctly, and here is the way I was able to figure it out. So okay, so I just press this button here. That puts you into live view. And when you're in this mode right here under manual, okay, you're gonna go to AF, right? So you go AF, and then I had it on here before. I couldn't get rid of the square, so I put it on this AI focus, right? We're gonna hit set, okay. Okay, once we do that, now go back to that menu and we go back to the live view. Okay, we go to live view, square is now gone. Okay, and then you can turn it off and on by hitting set. So if we hit set, and now it's gone. All right, so that should get rid of the square. I'm sure there's other ways, but that's the way I got it to work this time for the Canon T3i. Hope you found it useful. Consider giving this a thumbs up if it was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.